Hi all, it's Teresa. I wanted to do a video to show you this little baby that I just received. I had one cage open and I left it open in case there was a critical kitty that needed some help, and so we got this one. Very rough shape. He's pretty emaciated. He weighs a pound. Eyes are absolutely terrible. Every now and then he holds his mouth open to breathe. Very sneezy. So anyway, I'm gonna get his face cleaned up, start him on some Clavamox, see if I can get him to eat a little bit with some water in it. Make sure we get him good and hydrated, and I will keep you updated. Send good vibes this baby's way.